Joey Contino here, and this is the latest information we have on the current power outages in the Wildwoods. Right now, Atlantic City Electric is working extremely hard on getting this situation under control. As you know, after that fire that has now taken place over 35 hours ago, crews have been non-stop working, laying new cables at that power site. We saw that they were bringing in a massive transformer. It looks like they have to make a swap somewhere before they can get that fully online. On the island right now, it's kind of hit and miss with what is online and what's not. Interestingly enough, us at 21st Street had power since yesterday, yet 2 blocks over, they don't have power. And that's kind of how it is throughout the entire island. You have some blocks with full power, some other blocks without power. Right now, it's just a matter of Atlantic City Electric going out and fixing those wires or mini transformers and then getting that block online. In the meanwhile, the city and Atlantic City Electric have been doing a few different things. First is, if you're in an area that doesn't have power, there are a couple cooling centers, one in North Wildwood at the Rec Center, another one at the Wildwood Community Center. You can go visit those areas, plug in your phone, and get some fresh, cool air. Next, it was announced that there were 4 massive CAT generators that were hauled onto the island. These things are in massive containers, and they're being put in a couple different areas. One by the pump station in Wildwood to get the pumps back online, because at high tide, since we just had a full moon, they have to pump that water out. Another one on Skellinger Avenue, and then a couple other ones that are kind of paced around. The one on Skellinger Avenue is supposed to give power to the boardwalk and potentially the piers. But right now, as a reminder, Maury's Piers is not open tonight. There is no decision for tomorrow. It all depends on when electricity can be restored. We're not quite sure where the other transformers are going, but we do know they're being paced out because it's going to take a while to relay some of those cables and fix some other things. And so the temporary fix is getting these massive generators out there and on the grid to get people power. At this time, when it comes to estimates on what will be restored and when, they moved back the hour once again. It was supposed to be at 9:10 p.m. Now it looks like it's at 12:13 a.m. This number is getting pushed back further and further because once again, they're having to deal with bringing in generators, moving out transformers, relaying wires. And as soon as they fix one thing, they have to see what turns on, and then they have to keep moving the electricity around the grid in order to get other things greenlit or lit up in that area. When it comes to restaurants and different places, right now, we don't actually have a full list of what's open and what's not. Some places are running on generators where other ones are completely out. We have to go ahead and throw our support behind these local businesses, especially when this is all done, because there's some of them that lost all of their food, whether it be ice cream and meats and you name it, and they may have to throw that all away and get new stuff in. So once these places do reopen, please go and visit them. They're really going to need our support. And finally, I just want to send a big thank you out to our first responders. I'm talking about all of our fire departments, police departments, you name it. These past few days, they've been doing a fantastic job, whether it is just helping to keep us safe, keeping the roads open by directing traffic, and most importantly, keep the fires under control, because we did have a couple this past few days, and they've done a great job shutting them down very quickly. It is with everyone's hope that we can hopefully get all the power situated before tomorrow morning, but once again, it's kind of right now, it's all in Atlantic City Electric's hands. So hopefully tomorrow's update will be a lot more positive, and I hope that you guys are staying safe and sound. Anyway, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.